The incredible story of the lost and found wedding ring. Imagine losing something you love, something irreplaceable, only to find it in the most unbelievable way years later. Sounds impossible, right? Well, this true story is about to blow your mind. Back in 1995, Lena Paahlsson, a woman from Sweden, was busy preparing Christmas dinner. In the hustle and bustle, she took off her wedding ring and set it on the counter. But when she went back to grab it, it was gone. Now pause for a second. If you lost your wedding ring, what would you do? Scour the house? Check every nook and cranny? That's exactly what Lena and her family did. They searched high and low, even going through the trash. But no matter how hard they tried, the ring was nowhere to be found. Months turned into years, and eventually, Lena gave up. The ring, her precious wedding band, was lost forever, or so she thought. Fast forward 16 years to 2011. Lena was out in her garden harvesting vegetables. As she pulled up a carrot, she noticed something shiny wrapped around it. She bent down, and there it was. Her long-lost wedding ring, perfectly encircling the carrot like it had been waiting there all along. How did it happen? Well, Lena pieced the story together. She believes the ring must have fallen into kitchen scraps that were later tossed into the compost pile. Over the years, the compost was spread in the garden. And then, nature worked its magic. A carrot grew right through the ring, lifting it to the surface after all those years. If this story amazed you, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves unbelievable true stories. Don't forget to subscribe for more incredible tales.